Are you tired of those constant Venmo notifications? Maybe you're looking to declutter your digital life, or perhaps you've simply moved on to other payment platforms. Whatever your reason, if you've been wondering how to finally cut ties with Venmo, you've come to the right place. In this comprehensive guide, we're going to walk you through every step of deleting your Venmo account, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free exit. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why this is even a topic worth exploring. Venmo, for all its convenience, isn't for everyone, forever. Life changes. Your financial habits evolve. You might be consolidating your payment apps, or perhaps you're concerned about privacy and data security. Many users also find that they simply don't use Venmo as much as they used to, and it's just another app taking up space on their phone. Whatever your motivation, taking control of your online presence, including your financial accounts, is a smart move. Before you hit that delete button, however, there are a few crucial steps you absolutely must take. Think of this as your pre-flight checklist. Skipping these could lead to headaches, lost funds, or even difficulties reopening an account in the future if you ever change your mind. First and foremost, let's talk about your balance. You cannot delete your Venmo account if you have any funds remaining in it. This is a non-negotiable. Venmo wants to ensure that all your money is accounted for before you close your account. So, your primary goal here is to zero out your balance. You have a few options for this. The most straightforward method is to transfer your Venmo balance to your linked bank account. This is usually a quick process, though standard transfers can take a few business days to clear. If you're in a hurry, Venmo offers an instant transfer option for a small fee, typically 1.75% of the transfer amount, with a minimum fee of 25 cents and a maximum of $25. This will get your money into your bank account within minutes, even on weekends and holidays. To do this, open the Venmo app, tap on the Me tab, then Transfer Balance. Select your linked bank account and the amount you wish to transfer. Confirm the details, and you're good to go. Another option, if you have friends or family who use Venmo, is to send them your remaining balance. This is a good choice if it's a small amount and you don't want to wait for a bank transfer. Just be sure there's someone you trust, as once the money is sent, it's gone from your account. You can also use your Venmo balance to make a purchase if you have a Venmo debit card or if a merchant accepts Venmo as a payment method. However, transferring to your bank is generally the most advisable and secure method for larger sums. Once your balance is at zero, the next critical step is to unlink any financial accounts connected to your Venmo profile. This includes your bank accounts, debit cards, and credit cards. Why is this important? Because even after your Venmo account is deleted, you want to ensure there are no lingering digital ties between your financial institutions and the platform. It's a matter of good digital hygiene and enhanced security. To unlink your accounts, navigate to the Me tab in the Venmo app. Tap on the settings icon, usually a gear or cog icon, in the top right corner. Then, select Payment Methods. Here, you'll see a list of all your linked bank accounts and cards. Tap on each one individually and look for an option to remove or delete. Confirm the removal for each method. It's a good practice to double-check this section after you've removed everything to ensure no payment methods are still listed. Now, let's talk about pending transactions. If you have any pending payments or requests, you won't be able to delete your account until they are cleared. This means either the recipient has accepted your payment or you've accepted a payment from someone else. If you have pending requests you've sent, you might need to cancel them. If you have pending payments someone has sent to you, you'll need to accept them and then transfer the funds out as previously discussed. This step is crucial because Venmo's system needs to reconcile all financial activity before it can close an account. Another often overlooked aspect is recurring payments or subscriptions linked to Venmo. While less common, some services might allow you to pay directly through Venmo. Make sure you've updated your payment method for any such services before deleting your account. Otherwise, you might experience disruptions to your subscriptions or find yourself owing money. This requires a bit of proactive checking on your part, as Venmo won't explicitly tell you if you have ongoing subscriptions. Okay, So you've zeroed out your balance, unlinked all your financial accounts, and cleared any pending transactions. You're almost ready for the main event. But there's one more pre-deletion consideration: your transaction history. Once your account is deleted, your entire transaction history on Venmo will be gone. This includes all the payments you've sent, received, and any associated notes or comments. If you foresee needing this information for tax purposes, budgeting, or simply for your own records, now is the time to download it. Venmo doesn't have a direct download all transactions button within the app, which can be a bit frustrating. However, you can access your transaction history through the Venmo website. Log into your account at venmo.com. On the left-hand side, you should see an option for statements or transaction history. From here, you can often select a date range and generate a CSV file or a PDF. It's highly recommended that you download at least a year's worth of statements, or even all of your history, just to be safe. Store this file in a secure location, like a cloud storage service or an external hard drive. This way, you'll have a permanent record even after your Venmo account is a distant memory. Now, for the moment you've been waiting for, actually deleting your Venmo account. Unlike some other platforms, you cannot delete your Venmo account directly from the mobile app. This is a common point of confusion for users. To initiate the deletion process, you need to use a web browser either on your computer or your mobile device. Here's the step-by-step process. Open your web browser, go to venmo.com and log into your account. Make sure you're logging in with the same credentials you use for your app. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, look for the Settings or Account option. This is usually located in the top right corner of the page, often represented by a gear icon or your profile picture. Click on it. Find Close My Account. Within the Settings menu, you'll need to scroll down or look for an option related to privacy, security, or directly Close My Account or Delete Account. Venmo's interface might change slightly over time, but the option to close your account will always be in the Settings or Account Management section. It's often tucked away under Security or Privacy settings. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.